Little corellas are a type of cockatoo. They feed in flocks on the ground and are often found by watercourses. This flock is on the sand dunes that border onto the tidal creek. They're in amongst the grasses and vines, feeding on grass seeds, fruits and bulbs. It's these grasses and vines that help to bind the sand, stopping it from being blown or washed away, and in the process, helping to create a more stable and suitable environment for the little corellas to come into to feed. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.